Hey, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I got more Happy Mail. Can you believe it? Yes, from Tina H. She does a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. She has some well-behaved animals, and she shares, like when she gets a special purchase, she did a coloring book, adult coloring book walkthrough. Oh my gosh, it was so relaxing. And, just various things like that. And she sent me a card and a little package of goodies. So let's get into it. I will link her channel below. So, to Gretchen, that is me. Oh my goodness, how cute. Happy Valentine's Day. That's precious. I love the little donut things. I don't own anything donutty like that. She just is saying that she liked the card and goodies. It really made my days. Hope are well and that you're having a great week. I enjoy your channel and delighted to be friends. Happy Valentine's Day. Hugs, Tina. Oh, thank you so much, Tina. Oh my goodness, she even made a stamp handmade with love. Adorables, Adorates. I don't, you know how they make those little fancy words like G-U-R-A-Q-T, that kind of thing. I used to have a license plate on my bike when I was a kid that said that from a cereal box. Anyways, thank you for the card. And she sent me a little pack of goodies. Can I just tell you, I am shocked at the amount that postage costs right now. It really went up. And just, it's like, wow. But that is the price you pay, I guess. I'm just thinking, I went to the post office myself and I spent $28 on stuff, on postage. Anyways, I'm sorry, I digress. Look at this cute little heart bag. And a cute puppy eraser. I know her dog's name Bandit. I do not know her cat's name. But they get along, and that's great. Because right now in my household, things aren't just so great like that. And this heart dolly, it says love. I'm going to try to repurpose that. Oh my goodness. Again, I hit the mini pen bonanza. The one that matches my coffee mug. A little pen. And the strawberry scented stickers. Whoa. A little bit of glare there. I love that last sheet there. Very cute. And it smells so much like, wow, strawberry. And I got another magnet. Oh, it's going on my fridge. And one of these pop bags. You smack the pack. See the surprise. Bloom inflates before your eyes. I won't do this. I'll let the kids do it because I don't know. I'm a sissy. I took one to my aunt and my cousin had to do it because I'm like, I'm not touching that. But it was cute. It's fun to watch it inflate. Thank you so much, Tina. Again, love all the little goodies. I'm sorry you had to pay so much for postage. It just kind of really stinks. And I guess those are 2018 rates. But let me put this away real quick. I want to show you one more thing. Again, that was from Tina H. I'll link her channel below. Go check her out. My little dolly here. So I got a comment that somebody asked, where do you put your pocket letters? Because I keep my pocket letter in cards, and I'll put Tina's card in here. So I picked one of these up. I think it was at Target. I know Dollar Tree had these. They are the expandable file folder. So hopefully you can see that. Sorry about that noise. And I keep all my little, I have some cards in there. I don't want to take them out if there's addresses, but I'll show you my pocket letters. And I like to put like the year they came. And that way then I have them. And if I was really organized, I could surprise people with a card. But I do have them. So here's all my pocket letters I've ever received. And I keep the little note. And most of these I kept a note. This one was from Kimmy Kim. I think I need to put that because what I've been doing is clipping the card. This one was from Tammy, My World at OKC. Yeah, she sent me my first shaker. This was from Tammy at TT Scraps. Oh, I tucked the note in there so I would have it. This is from Diana H. This one came from Tracy at Holiday Cookie Diva. I took her card and I attached it. And then this one's from my friend B. I took her card and attached it so I know it's there. And then I figure what I'll do is just kind of when I'm looking for something special or something like that, I'll either grab an idea from here or maybe use a little goodie that came with it. Something like that. This is from Tammy. I took off her, it kept snagging and pulling, so I kept finding little pieces of tinsel everywhere. So I got quite the collection, but they fit very nice. The only thing is I have to make sure all my little doodads over here are tucked in. So when I put it away, it doesn't grab it and pull it off. But as they have come in, I have put them away. I can admire them anytime I want. And I just keep this close by with my crafty stuff. So, but I can, if I wanted it out of my way, I could just store it away. And that is how I keep my stuff put together. My cards, my pocket letters. I would like to take the goodies out of here. This little goodie bag, I'll put that on my fridge. And I'll probably take that out for the kids to play with. And I'll put Tina's card in here. And then probably like everybody else, I have my Valentine's Day box here. And what I'll do is just slip in my goodies into my Valentine's Day box that has like everything, paper, stickers, and whatnot. So I'll slip that into there. And believe it or not, this is all the Valentine's Day stuff I have. I might have a couple other additional pieces. I've been trying to really not buy a lot, work through it. Kind of mentality. So I just want to show you that. All right. Thank you again, Tina, for the Happy Mail. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.